How to turn on auto download using mobile data on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on auto download using mobile data on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find storage and data. Just click on it and scroll down until you find this one. When using mobile data, click on it, and now all you need to do is just turn everything on and click OK. And as you see, that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.